February the 29th. It is a Saturday, just about 6 o'clock. Andreas and I here have been working on the Beast of Turin and also our little REO with the very special engine in it. We didn't realize how special it was. And it is a 1925. You tell them everything
Oakland.
about it. It's an Oakland.
If
I was in Oakland, California, I'd be there. Now, Andreas, give them a little of the information, especially about the weights and everything on this.
Yeah. Well, it's a 6-cylinder engine with a long stroke, and they incorporated a different feature here. It's a counterbalance weight. So, such a long stroke at a certain RPM, this is going to need to counterbalance. So this acts as a counterbalance. It's got a big wide chain, timing chain, and the generator adjusts the timing chain. This one has aluminum pistons with a groove. Each one will have some of a lubricating groove, and it's a side valve head, and it's pretty good high tech for that age.
Pretty interesting piece. It looks like it's very strong, and it could be modified to be rather high RPM, and plenty of power for the time. Consider that this is 95 years old. And we've been doing a lot with it today. And just to show you, this is our chassis. We have done a lot of work on this. Andreas has cut it and we're modified so we can put the 6-cylinder Oakland engine into a 1917 REO and modified it so we can put that transmission in it and clutch and so forth. So it's really kind of interesting what's happening here. And let me just kind of go over here just a little bit. I've been working on the body and sanding it. Quite an interesting thing. The wings, you saw it the other day, but now we get to finish everything on it. And it's starting really to come together. So fairly soon, we hope to have everything done. Had a little problem here with I didn't put enough kick into the prime, and so it was kind of like, it wasn't really sanding. So the major trick for that is just hit it with prime again, but put a lot of the kick into it. So when you shoot it the second time, the kicker goes and applies to the original paint, the primer, and it hardens it. And so now everything is just fine. Just have a nice patina on it. Anyhow, there's Andreas. He's going to say hello.
Hi there.
And there's our little engine. There's the REO. There's the La Bistione. And we're having a hell of a lot of fun. And just wanted to say hello and fill you in again. And we'll see you soon.